Now we're gonna cooking. We're gonna cooking. We're gonna cooking. We're gonna cooking with Brian.
Hey everybody, it's me Brian. This
Yeah.
is pork fried rice with Brian and Ann.
Yeah.
Episode 1.
Today we're gonna have hurricane
We want to
party.
get it done before the power goes out.
We're gonna have hurricane party. Okay, Brian, you cook it when is it hot yet?
Oh.
Foreman, get up.
How much you want to put in?
Move.
You looking how much you want?
I like garlic, so that should be good. Right?
You're gonna do 2 times or 1 time. Which one too big?
You say that's too much? This pot's not big enough?
No, I don't think so.
All right, we'll see what happens.
I don't know. We'll see.
Hey, hey! Love that.
That noise sounds like a booking, right? She's playing a game on her phone, but it sounds like when I get a booking from Airbnb, the chime.
Oh yeah. And very echo, right? Bing! Bing down and moving. It smells good. Can you stir it?
You want to break it all up?
Okay, maybe.
Okay.
This smells so good already. They should have a garlic and oil candle. You know?
America, America.
Make it
Americano, Americano.
Talk to your eczema specialist.
It's okay for Brian.
Yeah.
a lot? Wow. Okay.
What's up?
Did you just
All right, baby.
my phone shut down?
I don't think this is yours. Oh, it is yours. You don't have no case anymore?
Mix it.
It was charging it.
Oh.
Get 2.
Yeah.
Hello! Reporting live! What's going on? It's all good. We're just kind of lounging around. We got it took like a different course, so it looks like it's not going to really hit us that bad. I mean, you never know. We got winds, tornadoes and all that other shit to worry about. But the hurricane itself looks like it's going to hit Fort Myers and Sarasota, diet soda. You're gonna say John's gonna hit. It's gonna hit at 5 o'clock or something. John?
Yeah, something like that.
5 o'clock. It's going 10 miles an hour. I mean, it's,
Stolen blanket, filling a job.
You like the pork, right? That's good, right?
Nah, he's done
maybe,
that.
You done better.
You've done better, man.
That's
You've
so
done
sweet. That's so
All
sweet.
right, man. Fried rice, man.
He set a high bar. No, very good.
But don't worry.
It's even cold. It's
It all, so
delicious.
you'll see. We're filming it all, so you'll see.
What's when you put eggs, peas,
I hold you. You
garlic? Okay.
you think.
Me
Hey, will this be better?
Can do
Will
him.
this be better?
Oh yeah, better like this. That one too soft.
Oh,
But what are you up to, huh?
oh, I'm on camera.
Like this.
Let me cut that.
You have to do like this. Not burning them.
Right. You don't want the brown. Hands too small. There's too much in here, man. Shred. You do it alone. It's yeah. I mean, it's when you cook spoiled raw.
I know.
Oh.
Harry and his dog has never been in the pool before. Fell in and was swimming like Michael Phelps. I know. Mm-hmm. I know. But all right, help it in over here. I'll give you a shot in a little bit, all right?
Bye.
How you brought it?
They're fine outside.
The one in St. Pete.
It's good.
Did you get out of there or what?
No.
You safe? Must be swimming.
You should let him before the storm gets. Oh, it's windy now.
The guy's up on the roof over there doing
What the guy
repair.
doing over there?
Shut up.
Barn. Yeah, look, he's up on the roof.
What the heck are you doing?
He is.
This guy is such a fucking moron.
Who's on the roof? Also,
Yeah.
our neighbor?
Yeah.
What the hell is he doing?
That was mine.
Old man. He put a slippery down to the floor, the cow, you know, like that. Go in the rain like that.
This way.
Brian,
Yo.
you need to use the Thai soy sauce. Like an oyster sauce or
Do I have it? See
Yeah.
a neighbor over there, John?
Brian?
Jane, check that cabinet on the top row. I see what's there.
Sesame seeds.
What
next
is-
time, next time I show you, I talk about when you cook it, right? You use the Thai soy sauce, oyster sauce,
I always go to the house.
and golden mountain
Your
sauce.
oyster sauce at the house? Yeah. So Keith go get oyster sauce out from his house?
No, he don't need to. I just killed.
There, see that guy up there? Yeah. He doesn't want it. That's his wall to wall. Is that the guy you got the fire?
Damn, he's running. How does it taste? Try it. What do you want? What do you want to put?
Salt and some heat. You know?
Tuna?
Check this out. Yep. Look, it comes in like
What is it, Thai? Or
no
Korean?
chili crisps.
I think Korean or Japan. That's a good burn, they get smell burn. Burning. We can put oil in there.
Got an inquiry.
What?
Inquiry.
What
Asked if we got power on in the house. I said, yeah.
Y'all making some lunch?
When?
It's for a week too.
Y'all making some
From where?
I don't know where they're from. Maybe.
Are you guys making lunch?
Yeah.
Do what they do.
I don't hope that he quiet. You know what I mean?
Huh?
I don't hope he quiet.
I know.
Be quiet. Your pen running around, Brian.
I know.
Run crazy. Smell good.
Good. Need a little more soy sauce or what?
I think so.
That's good. You don't want to put too much in it.
I know.
It's salty as
It
shit.
gets spicy, huh?
There's no, I didn't taste any salt in it. So.
Yum, yum. Then you sugar.
Sugar? God knows.
Yeah. Let's see if I can remember it.
Pork chop, pork chop. ข้าวผัดหมู ข้าวผัดหมู
Cow pot.
ข้าวผัดหมู Here, honey.
All right, cow pot bowl.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you.
Sugar, huh? I like it.
Hey, sugar, honey, honey, you're my candies, girl.
Make video.
It's on.
Is on? Yeah, but you go there, you see my off my face. We cooking. We are cooking. Oh, looking good, Brian. Looking good.
Good? I'm gonna get the shit off there.
If you have Thai soy sauce, you're gonna taste it.
What's the difference between Thai soy sauce and the
It
regular?
tastes better.
Yeah.
Not like that.
Well, this is the low sodium one too.
Oh, it's low sodium. Put more than. I don't know bird from the pan or bird from outside. Huh?
Let's get there now.
Getting there. Looking good.
You on your way. You the next Lenny Bruce, man.
ดูข้าวผัด
That's Lisa. Those are not yours.
burn now see burn put too much I put too much
Okay. Looks good to me.
It looks good.
Is it almost done, you
Gotta
think?
go to
yeah almost done we can turn off Brian
Turn it off?
yeah
Cool. Alright.
alright
Y'all want some fried rice, man? You come on in here and get it, man. We gonna make some stuff for everybody, man. If y'all gonna eat something, y'all gonna eat then. You know what I mean? Come on, man. We got soy sauce and chili crisps. Everybody ready to eat something. Goddamn.
you need to put this more you got this sodium low
Go ahead. Yeah. You know, John didn't want
he
too
didn't
much.
know it's low sodium low sodium is okay I have more pan for you let's turn around here looking good good
Good? You taste any spice?
a little bit
Very good. Because you make a little bit and you add a lot of it. Alright, so that's it, right? We're good? Should I move it off the burner or what? What do you think?
yeah
Yeah? No, let's do it.
just learn how to fucking cook without asking questions.
No, I don't want to... Jesus.
too big
This Oscar guy is hysterical. Alright, let's get some,
Jesus. Oh, it's good.
you know, it's going to be sprinkled Doritos in it.
Doritos and everything.
Put this shit on anything.
clean up first
Looks bad. Let's see how we did. What are you looking for?
Favorite place.
Right here. Okay, took it out. What you mean, dude? Ooh, you better watch your step. Try it.
good idea right good idea to do this
Yeah, right.
better than white rice
Thank you. Hey.
yeah me too that's what I feel not enough right put more
Because of the wind's erection.
That's all good.
Good, right?
where the sauce get sauce
I put a little hot sauce in there like hot.
no the one I made
Which one?
Oh, yeah. What the hell am I
good
doing?
one that's a good one
This guy. Where's that, we finished that other sauce?
no it's in there
The egg roll sauce is in here? We finished the egg roll sauce?
no it's there
The egg roll sauce.
there
Timmy!
What is this? I'm trusting. Oh, you're late.
You're gonna be very careful with this.
That's super
Or
hot.
you will be spray painting the toilet.
he said we have 2 bedrooms a bathroom you have to be careful
One little guy. That's a lot what I need to do. So.
Just hotter than this room, like
No, it's not like that. Then you cut it a little bit with this ducky doo.
Yeah. Next time I go to Thai store, I'm gonna buy for you some the chicken egg roll sauce.
Okay, sounds good to me. Appreciate it.
How much that much?
Did you
Or is
go
that too much?
to Thai market or you go to the,
Huh?
it's a supermarket or you go to
Yeah,
Thai
yeah.
store?
Supermarket.
Supermarket?
Korean or Laos
Oh,
or
waters?
yeah, they have in water a vitamin. Yeah, that's a big one over there. But you remember what name? They have in water.
Waters right past Del Mabry.
Yeah.
Yeah. I've driven past it. I don't know what it's called.
Oh.
มาดูหน้าตาข้าวผัดนะคะ
Hey, Julie, want me to watch him when you showered? You okay? I'm gonna grab a bag of ice and put it in the sink, so. Yeah.
โอ้
I was
ลูก
gonna say, I will hold the baby.
โอ้ยหน้าตาข้าวผัดน่ากินไหมเนี่ย
I will always hold the baby.